What's the story today, Alex?
Putting the snorkel.
Snorkel install, eh?
Snorkel install. They don't give you instructions. You've got to figure it out.
Just start drilling holes and then we'll just fit it up to the holes. Don't worry.
Yeah, I already fit the. I've done the other template. So.
Here we are, all marked out.
It's all happening today.
It's all happening. We'll also do a snorkel test with the smoke.
Oh yeah, then we're gonna then we'll do the test.
On mine.
We'll test yours.
If mine leaks, I'll be extremely surprised. I put a whole bottle of bloody silicone on it.
Every car I've tested, they all leak. Every snorkel leaks.
We'll see. We'll see.
Because no one leak tests. They just fit the bastard. See you later.
The amount of silicone I put, if it leaks, that'll be
unless
insane.
you get stuck in a water crossing long enough, you don't know. But when you do get stuck in the water crossing, you're fucked.
They can get your wallet out.
Yeah.
Get your wallet out.
Throw it in the fucking bin.
What are you doing today, Tom?
Oh, trying to fix a busted speedo cable, mate.
Oh yeah.
So we
getting ready for the Watergans, eh?
fixing the stuff that we broke at Lithgow, so we can go to the Watergans and then fix the
break
stuff
more stuff.
fix the shit that we broke there.
It's always fun, eh?
That's why we do it, isn't
Yeah.
it? So I'm trying to just. I mean, I think I'm going to end up damaging. Oh, there's a little. Instead of just pulling stuff, we'll just take the screws out.
A few moments later.
So you pull the cable out, and anything
The
wrong with
cable's
it?
out, but she's all right. So that means must be the drive, and that's coming out anyway. So you got to wiggle the housing.
To get it out, eh?
Mate, if you want to climb under the car and have a look where it is,
No thanks.
great spot as usual.
Oh man, it's always fun, eh?
Oh yeah, that's why we do it. So this is a LandRover LT95A transfer case speedo drive. So she's done.
Cactus, eh?
Cactus, mate. That's the housing. Bit of a pain to get out. You got to sort of get a couple of screwdrivers into that little lip there and wiggle. I hit it last week with some WD, so that's sort of.
To make your life easier.
Yeah, I think I've saved myself a bit of a headache today doing that, which is wonderful. The dramas. Well, look at that, even that oil seal's chewed out. Oh, just look. Beautiful. Yep. That's all good. I got panhard rod bolts and everything. I thought, geez, I should have just gone straight to Superflex arms and
Superior, eh?
yeah,
Superior.
Superflex arms. I'll get the long arm conversion. We'll cut the mounts, put the long
Massive
arms
ones.
in the back.
5-link. Do the 5-link.
No, I've got the
You seen
A-frame.
those? Ah,
Mine's A-frame. 3-link.
3-link.
Is that how it is?
Yeah, mine's 3-link as well, but you can get a 5-link conversion. Basically, the radius arms where they go in, instead of being one arm, it splits it into 2.
Yeah.
So you
got
get
like
more,
a lower
yeah,
radius,
yeah.
Mine's just got an A-frame. It's a single point in the middle, 2 points there, so that you get full.
Oh, okay, yeah, I get that, yeah.
Works pretty well.
A brand new one, eh?
Brand newy. Oh, it's a good thing I cut that grommet before, because this one comes with one.
You're lucky.
I'm thinking I'm being a hack and I'm just going to live with it, but we got lucky. Go fitter. What's going on here, mate? Template time.
Yeah.
So what do you block off the other bit?
You got to block the other bit to put this right angle piece in.
It's all happening today here at the
It is.
There's nothing you can't do, Alex.
I want to see you go in a bog hole now at Watergans, but with the new setup.
No fucking chance, mate.
Why? You did it with no snorkel, and now you got a snorkel, you don't want to do it.
Yeah, but you know,
Yeah.
she's in retirement, you know.
Yeah.
We'll just get the,
That is true.
the barrow out and scare the crowd.
We're waiting for the guy to remove it from his car so the barrow goes in. Don't worry, it'll be going.
Coming up. Make sure. Just trying to test all this out before once I set it. Yeah, or more that piece on the box. Because once I set it, I don't want to be fucking around later. But so far, it's pretty good. Oh, that's good.
Don't speak too soon.
Oh. Alright, so there we go there.
Learning more on that corner there.
Yeah, we're gonna get to that.
How are you going over here, Tom?
Oh mate, I'm in the middle of an oil change, yeah.
Huh? Living the dream?
Well, this is just LandRover life, covered in oil, grease. I'm about to pull the
I mean, it's not that's rain, eh? When you're driving in the rain.
Then it's raining on your head.
Yep.
Hang on, I'm just pulling the inspection plug. So that's the wear, or the magnetic plug.
That's a lot of shavings.
Oh, that sort of happens every time. It's all good. One day it'll explode, I'll get it rebuilt, and we'll keep going.
There you go. Do another 500,000 kilometers.
Yeah, no worry. That's just, that's what, 30,000 Ks? That's
not bad, I guess.
Alright, yeah. Could be worse.
Could be.
Could be in big.
Could have big chunks.
Yeah.
They're only small.
Well, hopefully I can't see him in all the oil.
Do you reckon she'll pass the smoke test, Alex?
100%.
This airbox?
100%.
Are you going to do the smoke test?
I am. But let's see his one as well.
I'll put the badge on the bottom of my little rubber.
Ah, yeah.
I'll get that and we'll do a smoke test all of them.
Alright.
We'll do a smoke
Sounds
test
good.
episode. Yeah? See that on the next episode of SAS 4x4,
Yes,
right?
next week.
Yeah, everyone's modifying their snorkels now. Who's going to pass the test?
Well, my car's full of holes, so I'm not going to enter that.
When you do a smoke test in your cabin, see how all the places it comes out of.
Oh yeah, no. It's out the roof,
Close the
everywhere.
window.
Smoke everywhere.
Yeah,
Better than dust, because otherwise it's just dust.
that's true. So what are you doing now, Alex?
Plugging up some bloody holes.
So you just put some silicone and pop rivet, eh?
Gonna do the smoke here.
We will.
A couple of barbecue smokers. Probably this won't fit. Just.
I was telling Tom, don't worry about the smoke machine, we'll just hook his exhaust up to our intake.
Get the blowers on. So the compressor is going to go here.
What's this for, a locker, eh?
This is for the locker, but because I don't want to have this stupid air filter here, because how's that going to work?
Yeah, as soon as you go in
As
mud.
soon as you go in the water, she's done. So run a fitting off there, MPT fitting, put a hose straight onto that.
Mate, comes ready for this from factory, eh?
Hose goes straight across, you wouldn't even know.
Just a Jeep thing. It's a Jeep thing, you wouldn't understand, eh?
Yeah, that's
It says it right there on the bull bar.
No one gets it. Everyone has to learn the hard way. They got to buy all the Toyotas, the Nissans. They got to learn the hard way first.
All the barrel swaps,
All the bullshit.
all the shorty swaps,
And-
barrel.
4 grand, same tracks. Don't worry about it. 27-inch tyres, same tracks.
No problem, take your toys home, eh?
I'll show you. Fire Truck Hills next. But that's easy.
Mate,
Mount Walker.
Mount Walker, that's a fun one.
Straight in. There's no turning back now.
No, it's all happening. Full of junk. It's the water separator.
Crappy fuel.
Look at that, mate. Bit rubby.
No,
Not that bad.
disgusting.
That's all from the bottom of the tank.
Yeah.
Well, that looks factory. Mate, no one will ever know. Probably a bit dodgy. I just did mine with a Sharpie.
We're not doing Sharpie jobs here, alright?
This is one way to do it if you haven't got the right hole saw.
If you don't have the right hole saw, just drill 100 little holes, eh?
Now we just use one hole. Then what we do, we get the air hatchet, we trim it around,
And go around.
and then we get a foul of the belt sander. If all depends how many drinks we had before, and we don't shake in the hand.
So is she ready for water guns yet, Tom, or what?
Oh, mate, she was always ready. She's never not ready.
Ready to tackle anything, eh?
She's ready for the Tanamai, mate. We're bloody canning stock for her. Wherever you want to go. We'll go to Africa.
Ready for war.
That's it.
It
Been
is.
to war. She's the veteran. She go again.
She's been everywhere, eh? She's
send it.
experienced everything.
Nothing she can't do, eh? Oh.
We'll just go straight to Bunny and get some PVC. Oh, the stacks.
The rolling.
Step, you always brush touching
To avoid rust.
in void rust.
And you actually use proper paint, not textile like I did.
You're using proper paint, and we're brushing every single hole.
Nice and gentle.
It's like when the woman puts the makeup on.
Yep.
It has to be not from the $2 shop.
Proper stuff.
Proper stuff.
This is paint coated and everything, isn't it? Colour match.
Colour match the lot.
Okay,
Alright.
let's go. Not going anywhere. And you let it dry. It's not gonna suck it in, is it?
Harness. Wiring harness.
Alright, you reckon it's enough? It should be enough. Blend it. Okay.
Here we go.
Yeah, if you want to make sure. I'll go from the inside.
Correct. Feed it on the, yeah, that's it.
There you go, that's the one.
Okay. You go on the back. You know, this one.
You take this,
You put the balls up there.
hold that.
Do you want to connect them?
Alright. You go at your leisure.
Come in, boy. Put the balls there. And where's the big washer with the nuts? Isn't stainless steel this?
Insane.
Yeah.
That's what you're doing?
Yeah.
Or you're going barra?
Fuck me.
Barra.
That's the one that some guy.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay.
It's like 100.
It's pretty good.
It's clean.
Yeah.
It's like a
I've got it in.
the interior is like never seen.
You turn it around.
She's the she's the side one.
No, when you turn it to the back, it's like those P plates that put their P plates upside down.
That looks like one of those kids that wears the hat on the side.
But still, you know what, I can go in it. It should be more down.
What a weapon.
She's if we're going water.
No, because the wind is going in, right?
Right.
When it's raining,
She'll pull the motor. She'll pull the motor.
I promise you, if your water's that high,
Water goes in, I know.
yeah,
100%.
That's why I said he needs a tap on the bottom of his airbox. That's why I did it on mine.
yeah. Or you need it to make it to face it down, but then it doesn't pull the air in.
Yeah. Well, that's true.
what everyone says to me about the snorkel being so low, and I'm like, mate, if the water's up that high, then
You got other problems to worry about. So what do you reckon, Alex? You happy with the snorkel?
Yeah, pretty happy.
It's all good. eBay special, but it does the job, eh?
It's only got to breathe.
Exactly.
I swear he was using this one.
No, we didn't get to use that. I guess.
How's the work like?
They know it's gonna break, that's why.
You're always going to be under here. That's why they're not.
That's why the LandRover bonnet comes off so easy.
See, that's the trick, comes with it.
Look at that. Mate, what a weapon.
Go give it a rev, we'll hear the
What you
suction.
do is you just get a texter and write Safari.
That's it.
Alright, the chimney's on the way, mate. What are you going to hear there?
You're not revving it enough.
Nah, that's... Oh, blow the motor off. Look, it's already knocking.
Yeah, what is that knock?
That's the Menai special.